Welcome, dear viewers, to our comprehensive review of the top 5 hybrid IEM earphones in 2024. In this video, we will delve into the features, performance, and value of the leading hybrid IEM earphones that have been making waves this year. We've meticulously tested and compared these models to help you make an informed decision. And here's a reason to stick around till the end. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. So without delay, let's start to the video. Number 5. The Linsoul KZ-ZS10 Pro, a 4BA plus 1DD5 driver in-ear monitor that's making waves in the audio world. The ZS10 Pro is an upgraded version of the KZ-ZS10, featuring self-customized balanced armatures. The sound is transient, dynamic, and bright in all respects. The faceplate is made of 304 stainless steel, while the cavity is made from imported resin. The detachable gold-plated QDC cable offers full upgradability. The PCB board gives full play to all the drivers, displaying a smooth, sensible, detailed music experience. The ZS10 Pro has dynamic lows and bright resolution. The cavity is scientifically molded to fit the ear like a customized in-ear headphone. It can effectively isolate the noise to 26 dB for a better music experience. From 2021 September 15th, there are 4 types of cables delivered at random. These versions share the same performance with only appearance difference. That's the Linsoul KZ-ZS10 Pro for you, a game changer in the audio world. Number 4. The YINYOO Easy KZ-ZST Colorful Hybrid Balance Armature with Dynamic In-Ear Earphone. Let's dive right in. First off, these earphones offer a solid ergonomic experience. They're designed with a memory wire technology that provides a locked-in fit, making it easier to keep moving. Next up, these earphones are perfect for gaming. They use patented silicon tips, offering a more comfortable fit and better sound transmission, improving noise-canceling performance. Performance-wise, these earphones are top-notch. They enhance sound quality with their hybrid technology, special armature, and dynamic driver. They're perfect for gaming, parties, or just chilling at home. The design is stylish, with a 3.5mm L plug. They're compatible with the latest generations of iPod, iPad, all Androids, tablets, MP3 players, and devices with a standard 3.5mm jack. Finally, the package includes the earphones, a cable, 3 pairs of silicone ear tips, and a user manual. It's a complete package for music lovers. In conclusion, that's it for our review of the YINYOO Easy KZ-ZST earphone. It's a great product with a lot to offer. Number 3. The Shure SE215 Pro Wired Earbuds. These earphones promise professional sound quality and a comfortable fit. The SE215 delivers detailed sound with enhanced bass, perfect for personal listening or professional monitoring. Experience striking full-range sound from a single, vented balanced armature driver. It's like hearing music for the first time. With 3 sizes of flex and black foam sleeves, you can find the perfect fit for your ears. The SE215 blocks up to 37 dB of noise, providing an immersive listening experience whether you're exercising or traveling. The wire form fit ensures the earphones stay in place, and the cables stay out of your way. In conclusion, the Shure SE215 Pro wired earbuds offer professional sound quality, a customized fit, and sound isolating technology. They're a great investment for any music lover. Number 2. The YINYOO CCZ Melody in-ear monitors. Let's get started. These earphones boast a PC cavity covered with UV varnish, giving them an elegant look. The ear tips are made of smooth, comfortable TPE material. Each headset weighs only 2.3 g, providing maximum comfort and lightness. The wraparound ear design ensures they stay put during your workout. The 4-core 4N OFC wire is soft and durable. The 3.5mm plug works with all related audio devices, and the 2-pins connector is detachable for cable exchange. The sound is bright and clear, delivering natural high-fidelity sound with deep bass and crystal-clear treble. Perfect for music and phone calls. The package includes the ear monitors, an earphones cable, and 3 pairs of silicone ear tips. Ideal for musicians, singers, and gamers. In conclusion, that's the YINYOO CCZ Melody in-ear monitors. A great choice for those seeking high-quality sound and comfort. Number 1. The Crinacle Zero Dual Dynamic Drivers In-Ear Headphone. Let's dive right in. The Zero cavity adopts a unique sandwich structure. It's capped by a glue-dropping process, ensuring a beautiful design and reinforced firmness. Zero has a proper low-frequency gain and high-frequency response in line with HRTF characteristics. It's not as cold and rigid as common monitor earphones, and its overall timbre is natural and full of atmosphere. Zero's overall timbre is natural and full of atmosphere. It's not as cold and rigid as ordinary headphones, making it a pleasure to listen to. It comes with 4 strands of high-quality silver-plated cable, combined with the universal 0.78 2-pin interface. This achieves excellent sound quality and expands the possibilities by changing the cable. In conclusion, the Crinacle Zero Dual Dynamic Drivers in-ear headphone is a solid choice for those seeking quality sound and design. Hope you found this content insightful, and if you want to see more of our content, please consider giving us a like and subscribe for more in-depth analysis. Remember, every click supports our work and helps us deliver better content. Thank you for watching. Stay curious, stay informed.